so no apampa so na koya ye mo bet na social media Gyimifuo na ntidabia kwasiampafo be dada mo mo anyansa nim tire mo de na mo mfa mo homra metete ahwiahwiamu ni na stake cocaine moa kwasiakwa. Now chairman, back to what Sam George was trying to do. Sure. And now me know what I say. And someone can one a beton here. And this beton. Otoma wine. Otoma Kunedua Jima Rollins, the first lady. What is more conflict of interest than this? Kwasia Sam George. Maso Kwasia Kopim da Obesisa. Kwasiam Penny Sam George. I also we MP Pram. Meti watamwa Kopim there. You will change your fucking life. Mo sorry, I'm not continue agina sorry ho. Na mukura mic. Na me nyankopon wan kasa no sometimes say na me huntia. Anka kwasiampafo say no. Wo fa mic yo so kasa na drag just the no makuno. Yes. What the trona no na nka grad tender at striking one time. Bura no da ho. Kwasiafo amudi nyame din ye di agro. Mo betina parliament ya why when you say kwaku ono ho ba enya ompene enya wa bent ompene o kotina asade dem dia let us come together and bless the Lord. Tiri so be blessing the Lord abodamfo enya send mutiri me dia na NDC ye 29 years mo de ye dan ena me be tira mo track record ye be boboni ama mama che kwasiafo enya send mutiri free education 419 na president odi wanim no ko free education wadwe ye aduma. What do you do? Constitutional overthrow. Now, so constitutional, and you walk as Yampafo, we are the cultural my. A common with the end, yes, a moment to so their constitution is good. Obi better now, so they are yes, a constitution. The best is some with three son of my pampas, some of the never catch a moment in Faso. Chairman, not to waste time today. I don't want to waste time today. I want you to put. First and foremost, me anya di answer. Okudzeto block us here can who be you?
Yeah.
This time okay, chairman. Why do we give passports, IDs, and stuff expiration? So that say brebi dua ubetumi aba na ya check say oda so tiase. Ana won tiase. One.
That's right.
What address assessant and now address and society. So what you say, status assessant, and I say status and society. That is why we do upgrades of ID cards, and that is why ID cards have expiration date. Okay. Yeah. Now, my passport, both my Canadian passports. Yeah, I mean, so far two na MC two na emuayema. My third one now. Nini na no na expiration date ewo home. Chairman, can I use the passport with expiration date to travel?
That you can't.
Yeah, but my come why sir. You bet me for some passport now expire the way could you not court here now.
David.
So why is what yeah? Chairman, wouldn't be entia me Okudzeto block I make a trust obewu a enye fe no. Onu owu anani nkata mopo bi amake. Okudzeto block by the day he would die nani enkata. Mu be wu bi pro. Oye beifo a ne beye no ye de fa na maame so. What you say? No, mammy, I would be able to find the man into no. Nenny bloody. What you say? Ain't an abra boss 1 year than when not American by now. Why was young penny dinner, maybe? I then make us. Aqua sorry, chairman. We have something we call committees in parliament. Yeah. Unfortunately for Ghana, he's the ranking member for foreign affairs or for foreign issues coming from the NDC side. And you know, there are certain briefings, your mom will briefing. But chairman, the truth is said, once they give you the briefing, it doesn't necessarily mean say it is a finished product. It is a free meeting. Now they said the kakra fe na mo dwendwen ho ye afen ya dwendwen ho de koto abonten to score political chip point ya uwu a weni nkata wo ye beifo. What you say? Say wonim say ade a wukoye enya papa na so say wo pesa wo score cheap political point into koye sa you are me who say we kraman and Sam George Okudzeto blocker womo ye kraman omo kraman ya omo ye no omo ye got emu kraman the lowest grade of kraman. That is who they are. Kramaya would the name I said I team Nikura one way. And yet that is who they are. Because Sam George to me talker now I top it through 10 million dear goom. Or so they call demonstration. One more new call demonstration, they be nine Google form. The baby crane yebi. But or no dear was shen space. Was share address the camera. Say young koye de no many more thing. I didn't ya. Ghana new you Tayana June say Sam George ba obedi adie. Kwa the constituency na koshe. Bisa no constituency one say Sam George ba ye a dear pan wetumi ayamom. Now check ask them now me say because of tribalism intino Ghana because on na check.
Oh,
Because
yes,
obi ya de na papa mpa near the tribal abem me say no. Now what's the pram? Now when you B5 company, a subsidy of what? Of the one district, one factory. Now MP continent so say one district, one factory, na enya no cry sama. And koba, no more shions was share group say, o cook the year, a year 70, and kakra, would you atrodo? Because they have gotten some chairman. One district, one factory, no, they have gotten some.
Oh, yes.
Pakofa, Adiaba, now only one thing I see about Ablakwa. Sadia Nippon Okuhua. On she says so, on she shemo. Onya one or two things we obey to media ama media for na to aguma or smunkotungum call me and I will explain. Call me, sa no friend now when ya kwaya yes and diabolic political stupidity no. Now I hear no the Jimmy no one ya go say you any honorable ya das you know come fire the end is I block yourself. He's not helping you. He's digging your grave because he's a liar.
Yep.
Chairman, before this whole brouhaha, one continental committee so said the cathedral is his baby. One can say the cathedral is my baby. And when you mean me na me to me a perusu a cathedral no, the cathedral it is on and on. Continental wa kwasia wa ye utiru kaka wure when to me anya bibi papa biara. Utie Okudzeto kwasia brokwa ye ja wo continental ho no. When to me and cash as a matter of fact, the anuntia would say cathedral no cobe money wrong. And then one koton siumunti sadia. Yan said uncle baby before fro. And family for a cathedral no. Cathedral mumpo ye be seat to the glory of God.
Amen.
Cathedral no mumpo ye be seat no for the glory of God. Yan see cathedral say ye koye here baba nkwa wo ho. Munja jimie ni na mama dwene mumie. Some crass for MPs no, or now who coach no, omu tu kwanya or girlfriends to kwanya, omu coach kako cathedral, ponqua yan send him with him. Some NDC MPs now, or mushu left, you know, one more bad brochira, one more say yan for munko those places no munko chom any so, Utieska. Now, Kwasia, Oko Ghana, near the side, ye be basse, ye benya Africa shrine, African biblical dear, bra na mabroni sunya day embrebi na wo man sunya ska wo de wo gina on sabi wo ya kwasi ampani a waton wadwama NDC nti you against cathedral kwasi akwa mahama yire ehye kabane ahwene e de ko gala no santa na enkola wa gala ni nati school dai papem no obi asempa bo a munnim nyansa nti mu hu aban papa soda chairman put the first letter please ma de na person yi Chairman, put the first letter. Make the first letter from the government about the cathedral. I made them out later on.
Yeah, I mean that.
Yeah. Let's move it fast. National Cathedral of Ghana, press release. January 16, 2023. The National Cathedral and payments to JNS. Also following the January 7 memo, and then refutation of false claims made against the National Cathedral